Hey guys, RunwithCraftscissors here with an unboxing of PomegranateStickerCo stickers. So make sure you check out her shop, and I do PR for some paid representative, but I'm paid in stickers. So that means you get to use a discount code RWCS25 for 25% off. The link to her shop and my coupon code will be in the description box below in the Linktree link. So it looks like she did include some extra freebies, maybe. Oh yeah, I should have posted that. Shoot. Okay, so there's my March freebie. Okay, so these were... I don't know, that one says March. This one says March. Oh, this is her March freebie that comes with all of her orders. So she sent me a ton extra. So that means after my Shopiversary sale, the new releases that happen the week after that will probably have one of these, so that'll be fun. So it says hello girl and has some bows, and then it says April Fool's Day, Easter, and Earth Day, and then there's some quarter boxes. So this is the March freebie you get just for ordering, and then this one is the one you get for March. Wow, she sent me a ton of those. Ooh, exciting. So this one says happiness isn't happiness without a violin playing goat. So I hope you guys like that. It's from another one of my favorite movies, Notting Hill. Julia Roberts says it. So I did one that was from My Fair Lady, and I've done one from You've Got Mail. So I hope you guys are liking the like funny movie chick flick quote boxes that I've kind of been picking for mine. And then there's a half box, there's a Bill Do sticker, some planners, and then some cameras, because those are like my go-to stickers. I don't use a ton of Bill Do's, but yeah, those will definitely be going in orders the week after my Shopiversary. So let's see, this video will probably go up this coming weekend. So yeah, I'll save these back and put them in orders from new releases on Wednesday. What is next week? Calendar. It'll be Wednesday the 20th. So new releases will go up on Wednesday the 20th, and these and those will go in however many I have. So I think that'll be fun. Yay! Yeah, you guys are gonna have to wait extra long for the next set of new releases. So here's some functionals, script functionals, I think mostly, that I picked. And then I think my order receipt is in there too. That's what that is. So I'm not gonna show that necessarily, but it does give me kind of a price list. And she prints it on like good quality cardstock. Okay, so these, the no school ones, where's that? Yeah, these are $2. So I ordered 2 sheets of those. I like the little heart and line underneath. I think that's really cute. But we've had some no school days, like the 8th was technically a no school day, but I had to go to work, but I think that would be good to put in my son's planner, or for like snow days if you don't want a snow day sticker and just a no school, that kind of thing is good, or if you're marking when spring break is or things like that. So I ordered 2 sheets of those because I'm probably going to take one to school and then keep one at home, is what I was thinking. Okay, and then I like this one, like when we're working on designs, and I say we because my husband designed some things that are unique to the shop, like the sloth and the polar bear and the fox and stuff, and the word clips. Those are all like designs that we kind of like do together. He does them, and then it's like I critique or say what I would like or where this should go, that kind of thing. So designing is definitely like a together kind of thing. So this one is also should be $2. Yeah, $2 for those. And then this one is Sleep In, which I thought was good for like the week of spring break, and or maybe weekends you actually get to sleep in. I don't know whether you're like kids' sports season is over and the weekends are finally back to sleeping in. All right, and then this one says, this one I think she added in, it says send out bill pay. I don't know what that means. I don't have a send out bill pay, like kind of bill. I'm not sure what that means. So I don't know. Then there's treat yourself, which is really cute, I think. So maybe when you're like spending or breaking your no spend. And then I also got the little monies. This was also on the freebie in my Shopiversary. These ones were. So these are $2 too. But I figured you could use them for paydays or when you're putting money into savings or when your bills are due or whatever it is. So there you go, 2 sheets. You get quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. That's 30. You get 30 stickers. Yeah, and no one gets paid every day of the month, right? Okay, so we have some kits to go through. I'm excited. Some are this one's Easter, and then a couple of spring ones. So bring it on. Is what I'm thinking. I definitely need to crank out some more Easter clips in the next new releases, because all I've done so far I think is a bunny. There's only a few left. Okay, so here's the deco and date covers. So it has a cute little white bunny, which is the one I was talking about. I have a white bunny, so there's a little white bunny there. Okay, and then we also have something similar. Let's see if I have one nearby that I would definitely put with this. There it is. She has kind of like the girl mug. I would definitely put this clip with this kit. So probably those two for sure, until I have like more made of other stuff. And then probably like my teal stuff. A lot of teal in this kit. My teal bow. Oh yes, yes, definitely that. There's lots of lavender too. I know I'm out of lavender daisies. I just sold out of them. But there's not daisies, there's just roses. So maybe my lavender rose, where's that? I had that out. I took it out. There it is. There's like a lavender rose maybe? Yeah. Sorry, I like to pick my clips. Okay, so this is called Egg Hunt, which is really cute. Oh, that bunny is just the sweetest bunny. Oh, I love it. Glittery ears. That's so cute. So those are your full boxes. And then here's your half boxes and quarter boxes. Oop, and some habit trackers. And then here's your full box checklists. And then your Monday through Sunday and some quarter boxes. And then here is your headers and little things. Or little boxes, whatever you want to call those. Weekend banners, some functionals, and some freestanding checklists and bill dues. And then like EC flag covers. And then here's the bottom washi, which I think is so cute. It has like the row of little Easter eggs with flowers. And then there's washi chunks and date covers. But she has gone to doing separate blocks instead of strips, is what she used to do. So there you go. So that one's called Egg Hunt. If you're on the hunt for an Easter kit, I suggest that one. All right, and then this one. Oh, this one. Let's see. Get this off. Cello bags. Gotta have the cello bags. Prevent any weathering happening. Okay, so here we have a cute little coffee mug there, which I do have a mug. I did have a coffee mug that kind of looks similar to that. Let's go to the binder. Where's food? There it is. This one. Yes, so I'd probably use that one. And then there is an umbrella, but it doesn't perfectly match my like navy blue umbrella, so I probably wouldn't do that one. There is a tulip though, if you snag my tulip clip, which I don't know if I kept one for my. I don't think I did. Sometimes I keep them for myself, but nope, not this time. What are roses? Oh, I definitely want the daisy though. And I see a big daisy right there, the white daisy. I don't know if the white daisy is still in stock. Okay, so this one is really cute. It has the rain boots and it has Hello Spring. Oh, the watering can. We can bring in the watering can. So that would definitely go too. Yeah. Love the daisies. So there's the full boxes. And then here's the half boxes, quarter boxes, habit trackers. Okay. And then here's full box checklist and the Monday through Sunday and quarter boxes. And then here's kind of your color palette, if you will, of headers and little things. And then here, your weekend banner functionals, freestanding checklists, and some bill dues. And then look at that washi. I love the floral. That's beautiful. I love it. Okay, so I can't wait to use that one. And this one's called Hello Spring. And I was like, oh, I need to unbox this kit as soon as possible because I knew I had at least 2 spring kits in here. And I was like, these are a must to go in my planner. So I know that this one is no longer in my shop because really old. I want to say like a year ago. But all right, so then we have one more kit called Flora. And this one, I know for sure I've sold out of what I'm about to show you, but I will see if I've had time to restock it. Hopefully I have before this. So there definitely is a watering can in this one too, so I would bring that back. And then even like this little purple rose looking thing, I bring the purple rose back in. And then there's that like purple looking daisy, so I may need to restock the lavender daisy. And then one of the new releases that sold out in my shop anniversary was the hot mess one, which was inspired by this kit anyway, but I will try to restock because those sold out really quickly, so I think that there may be more people that didn't get one. Okay, and then there's glitter headers, which you can add on. So there's the hot mess. There's even a barn. I have a barn clip. Where's miscellaneous? Let's see here. Miscellaneous. I think that's where it is. Yeah. I have a barn. Mine's brighter red, but I have a barn. I think that's cute. The More Please is cute, but I thought Hot Mess was like more of a go-to and the coffee was already in there. Okay, and then here's the half boxes and habit trackers. And then here's the littles and the headers. I really like that pastel-y green. And then here's the heart full box checklist. And then here's the weekend banner functionals and freestanding checklists. Some script functionals. Those are on all of them. I like the little planner, how it always matches the kit. And then there's that washi look. She does so good at doing her bottom washies. They're always so beautiful. And then the washi chunks that I think Melissa always asks me for. She probably always looks forward to me doing Pomegranate Sticker Co kits because she's like, leftovers. What a hoot. Okay. So definitely like lots of purples, I feel like, out of these kits for spring, which I think is funny, but I think it's really cute. But yeah, so I hope that you guys check out Pomegranate Sticker Co if you haven't yet. She should be coming out with some new releases here shortly anyway. So I'm excited about those. So thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a like and please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!